Hi everyone, we're going to go over setting up the triple sink electric. Let's jump right in. First, you want to add the plastic bin underneath the drainage pipe to catch the water. Take the sub pump and put it into the bin. Run the green hose into the plastic drum. This is where the sub pump will send the water. Ensure there isn't a kink in the hose. This can constrict the water flow. Take the food hose and screw it into the water source. Only use the food hose for your water source. Then take the other end and connect it to the sink. You want to ensure the valve handle is aligned with the hose. This means it's open and it'll allow water to flow into the sink. Now you can check if the water is running properly through the sink. Once you have a steady water flow, plug in the sub pump. And plug the sink into your power source. The sink requires 20 to 30 amps to run the sub pump. Once you have the sink powered up, the sub pump will pump the water from the bin to the drum. Remember to unplug the sub pump when the sink is not in use. Leaving it plugged in will overheat it and damage it. It's important to have a steady water flow before powering the sink. Plugging the sink in first can cause it to overheat and become damaged. Hot water can take up to an hour to heat depending on the temperature of your water source. On a pickup, ensure the faucet is off, unplug the sink and the sub pump, and return everything back into the sink. The ground can become wet and slippery during this process, so be sure to watch your step. Ask the customer where you're allowed to dispose of the water before deciding to dump it out of the drum. And that's setting up the triple sink electric. Stay safe out there, everyone.